Cut, cut, cut. This is not rating of TVY. This is not a TV show. This is a video production.
Sorry. It's a mistake.
Okay, take two. Cut, 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 cut. This is not supposed to be in Lewd group. It's supposed to be normal.
Oops. Sorry about that.
Okay, trying it again from the top. Now let's do take number 3. Wait a second, cut. Why is it black and white? It's not supposed to be black and white.
Sorry, I thought it's in the 50s.
Okay, take 4. Cut, 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 cut. The image is not supposed to be mirroring the other way. Why do I have to keep telling you?
Sorry, my bad.
Ugh, take 5. Nope, 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 nope. Cut, 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 cut. The image is upside down. You have to be in a normal way.
Okay, I fix it.
Good. Take number 6.
PBS Kids!
Idiotic cut, that's the wrong audio. The audio is supposed to be birds, not dot. Okay then, take number 7.
PBS Kids!
I still don't think so. I mean, but use your aunt's audio. You need to make the audio normal. Okay, this is your final chance. Mess it up, we are canceling this ident. Anyways, take 8 and final take.
PBS Kids.
Excellent work, great job. Tomorrow will be the boxing.